Hi, today we're going to make a fossil of our own. Fossils are the preservative or saved remains of plants and animals that have lived many years ago. Most fossils form when a dead plant or animal gets buried in mud or sand. The mud or sand covers up the body. Many of the times the body decays or goes away, but some parts like the bones or shells stay in the sand or mud until it turns to rock. I have some examples of some fossils here, such as a shell, a fish bone, a different type of shell, and a dinosaur bone. Since we'll be making our own fossils today, you will need some supplies and materials, such as some paper, pencils, or crayons, and some modeling clay. Let's go outside and explore all the living things around us, and you'll want to take a piece of paper and some pencils or crayons with us so we can write down what we find. Let's
see if you can find 3 different living things and draw or write what you think they'd look like. I found 6 different things to use for my fossil. Now let's hunt for a once living thing that we can use to make our own fossil. A leaf or a twig is a great choice. For my living fossil, I'm going to use the walnut. Let's head back inside to make our fossil.
Now that we're back inside, we can draw some of the things we brought in. I drew the rock, and the leaf. When we were outside, I chose to use the walnut for my fossil. So what you want to do first is get a big lump of your modeling clay. Then you'll divide that in half. Next, roll each piece into a ball. Next, flatten those 2 balls into a flat pancake. Then you'll want to take the item you chose, the walnut, and press it into one of your pancakes gently. Then carefully place the next pancake on top, making like a sandwich, and cover up the object as best as you can, all the way around it. And press down gently on top to make sure you get a good fossil. After you feel like you've pressed the 2 pieces together really well, you can carefully peel apart the 2 pieces of clay to reveal your fossil. Then remove your once living thing and now you have your very own fossil. Look at the mold that was left behind and compare the shape of the mold to the shape of the original object. Is it the same or is it different? Mine looks very much the same, with the grooves being the same. How much of the object is showing versus how much is missing? This, I believe, shows a lot.